Hey guys, let's make aloo bhujia at home in bakery style, which is very easy and simple. It needs only two ingredients. So without any delay, we'll start the process. Here I have taken two small potato, boiled and mashed. Add the salt, little bit turmeric, chili powder, and some cumin seeds. Pinch of asafoetida or hing. Here I am adding amchur powder. This is homemade amchur powder. If you don't have amchur powder, even you can skip it. Otherwise, in place of amchur powder, you can add chaat masala. It will enhance the taste of the aloo bhujia as bakery style. Here I am adding besan. There is no any measurement of the besan. Simply we have to add the besan little by little and knead the dough without adding any water. Press and mix it. Here we have taken boiled aloo, right? So the water content in the potato itself is enough to knead the dough. So we have to add little by little besan flour or gram flour, so that we have to form a dough as shown in the video. Now I am taking this save maker, grease with some oil so that our dough wouldn't be stick to this maker. Now here press the dough as shown in the video and put it in the save maker machine. Now close the lid. This is very simple recipe guys, you also can try at home. Here take more oil, heat the oil and pour the batter as shown in the video. So after pouring we have to keep the flame on medium. So fry the bhujia on low to medium flame, don't fry it on high flame. It will not be crispy after cools down if you fry on high flame, so that's why you have to fry it on low to medium flame. Once it is golden brown, take it out from the oil. So likewise here I am adding second batch and fry it until it is light golden brown. That's it, our bhujia is ready.